Hello everybody and welcome back to Basic Math 8 Week 11, March 29th through April 2nd, tutorial part 2. We're talking about reading pictographs and interpreting them here in the second part of the tutorial. Let's just jump into it. Let's pull into this interpreting pictographs number 1. Put it into our good notes. Alright, so we want to, in this case, determine which pictograph best represents the information below on the chart. So we have one, two, three, four, five, 6 of the data tables, and we have 6 option answers down here. Each of them represents 6 fishes. So really, if we know our multiplication tables, we can actually go through this page pretty quickly. So here on a graph involving a picture, ergo it's a pictograph, we need to be aware of is the scale or the key. Each fish represents 6 fish actually, or each fish drawn represents 6 fish. So I come in here a little bit closer, and if I count the fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 6. 2 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 6. 2, 3, 9 times 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 6. Do multiplication. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12. 9 times 6 is 54. 3 times 6 is 18. And 10 times 6 is 60. So there's bound to be a data table that has 48, 12, 54, 18, and 60. We'll take a look right there. Woo-woo. So number 1 is A. Hope it doesn't, letter B doesn't go to 2, but we'll have to see here. They reach a scale of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 6 gives me 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 6 gives me 54. We remember from the previous pictograph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6 gives me 30. So we need another table up above with data that goes 24, 54, 36, 6, 30. 24, 54, 36, 6, 30. Well, by Jove, 6 is B. And really, if we take a look, we should be able to tell, spoiler alert, from really the first 2 fish totals. Even if 2 and 4 both start with 42 fish on Thursday, by the time we get to Friday, the road forks. So let's really just kind of start to shorten it up a little bit here, because I hope your folks are starting to see it. On Thursday, we have 2 times 6 gives us 12 fish were caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 6 gives us 48, like so. So we go up and find which one had 12 and 48. Hey, 12 and 48. So 5 is C. Take a look at letter D here. 1, 2, 3 fish times 6 per fishy drawn. You get 18 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. 6 times 6 gives us 36. So let's find the data table up above that has 18 and 36. Look at that, 18 and 36. So letter D matches up with 3. Okay, that rhymes. D and 3. Now we have 2 and 4 left. These ones are the ones that are going to be tied. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. And 42. 6 there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6 gives us 30. So let's come up here. The 42 and 6 on the first 2 days. 42 and 6 matches up with number 2, so 2 is E. And by process of elimination, 4 is 42 and 30. We can see that there and see that there is F. A, E, D, F, C, B. Doesn't spell any words, but that's the order with which they go. Very nice, guys. So let's go on ahead and pop back here. There's a second one interpreting that's going to look exactly like the first one is. We're going to forego that one because you guys can do that on your own if you're seeing how the first one of these worked. Let's go back to the last set of activities here. Reading pictographs. This one is more of an interpretation one. We'll do the first one here because the second one is just the same format, just a couple of different questions. All right, so let's take a look here. Look how they put that little line in between 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, comparing the amount of candy they received on Halloween. I love Halloween candy. Their haul, I like that. Each equals 4 kilograms of candy. Really, the comparable in standard units is a kilogram, a pound. It's almost a pound. One girl got like 10 pounds of candy. Almost. That's a lot of candy. That would rule. Who got the most candy? Well, looking at here, looks like Miss Katie. Hey, Katie, you got the most candy. Who got the least amount of candy? Oh, Rachel did. This is a comparison 1 on 3. Who got more candy, Maria or Carol? Oh, Carol. The Carol got more candy. How many kilograms of candy did Maria get? This one we need to do some work. 1, 2, 3 times 4. Remember, because each candy wheel is worth 4 kilograms. 4 times 3 is 12. 12, let's label it properly with the letter K and a G. How many kilograms did Rachel get? 1, 2, 2 times the 4 kilograms per candy circle. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 kilograms. Woo-woot. Go below, take a look at, the candy haul for a couple more friends. Who got the most candy? Maria did. Exclamation. Who got the least amount of candy? Oh, Carol. Frowny face. Who got more candy? Faye or Katie? Yeah, it was Katie. Whoa. 9 kilograms? Maria cleaned house. Wow. How many kilograms of candy did Miss Katie get? All right. Dun, dun. 3. 3 times 9, 27. That's like 25 pounds of candy. I want to know what street they're going on. I'm going to go there next year. I'm going to wear a Halloween mask and clean out some candy. I'm going to bring all of that stuff to school and share it. How many kilograms we got to get? So 27 kilograms. I was too excited about the candy to remember. We already answered that one. How many kilograms of candy did Rachel get? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 9. 4 times 9, 9 times 4 is 36. 36 kilograms of candy. And a mouthful of rotted teeth. Ba-dunk. There you go, guys. That's how we interpret these Q pictographs. The last activity on here looks exactly like this. We're going to forego it, though, in our tutorial because we already... Hey, there's another one where they're comparing that. because we already went through the first one, and the second one is just like the first one. So here, guys, is some fun interpreting and reading and calculating on pictographs. Again, it uses a picture to represent a certain amount of information or numbers or values. Even sometimes on here, they did the full drops of rain. Sometimes they'll split them in half to represent half of something. It didn't do it in either of these, but that's also a way that they also work sometimes. So there it is, guys. Excuse me. That's all the time we have for this week, week 11. We'll be back with week 12 here in short order when you guys reach week 12. Until then, guys, happy April. See you guys for week 12. We're down to the last 8 weeks of the year. That's super exciting. We'll come back, hit it hard on week 12. But until then, be happy, be